I'm going to show you how we can use the advanced options which are shown in add new lead option. So here we can see that there are two options. One is the default keyword, that is the primary keyword, and another one is the custom keyword. And third option is the advanced search. So to understand why these options are required and when we can utilize this option, first we will refer a existing report. This is a report which we generated for this particular business, Metro Flow Plumbing. Okay. If I navigate to the top 20 competitors, then it will show us that we are ranking on position number 1. Okay. So where and how we are ranking? So we are ranking for the keyword plumber, and we are ranking on this GPS coordinate. This GPS coordinate is basically the location of this particular business. In short, we are making a search for our primary category, that is plumber, while sitting in the office of Metro Flow Plumbing. Okay. So most of the times it will happen that our business will be on position number 1. Okay. But in case if we want to check for other keyword, then how we can do? Like we want to identify where we are ranking. So in such case, this custom keyword option is useful. It means we want to run a GMB audit report for this Metro Plumbing, but for the keyword of emergency plumbing, for example, and maybe we want to change the GPS coordinate, or maybe we want to find this particular business from some different area, maybe some different coordinate, or maybe a nearby area. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can generate that kind of report. So for now, what I will click on view map. Here we can see that this is our business. Now what we will try to do, we will little bit magnify it. Okay. And we will try to generate a report, maybe one from one of our competitors location, or maybe from some nearby location. Okay, so let's navigate. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply select one of our competitor, then one source plumbing. Okay, here we can see. Okay, now what I will do, I will copy its GPS coordinate. Okay, and I will use over here. First, what I will do, I will find that particular business again. Then I will enter the name of business over here. I will select it. I will use custom keyword. Then in advanced search, either we can use lat long in this format, like lat long and zoom, or we can even use the city, state, or country. Maybe even we can utilize the area as well. For example, this particular business is on this McNee Avenue Street. Okay, so even we can utilize this particular address as well. Okay. But I will use GPS coordinate of this particular one source plumbing, one of our competitor. And what I will do, I will use lat. I will use the format which is mentioned over here in the same way. So in this case, we changed our keyword to emergency plumber, and we also use the GPS coordinate. Okay. Even we can reduce the GPS coordinate. This is quite long coordinate, so we can make it short as well. Okay. So like here we can see that if I click over here, then it is only showing me 3.280979. So let's reduce it. And now we will click on add lead. We will again verify the format. It is perfectly fine format. And now click on add lead button. Now we added the lead. Now we will try to generate a report. Let's click on generate report. In a couple of minutes it will generate the report. So here we can see that now we are ranking on position number 6. In previous report we were ranking on position number 1. This is because the GPS coordinate was different. So this is the use of advanced search, and this will help us to pitch the client, okay, or to convert a client. Hey, you are ranking on position number 6, so we can help you to rank your business in better way. So this way we can convert a client, and this advanced setting option is useful to us to convert a client. Thank you very much.